Hello everyone, this is your developer Mugoya Differs. So welcome to this stream. Basically this stream is to demonstrate how we use the Bible app together with its dashboard to manage different functionalities in it. So fast forward, this app is made in a way that you can read a Bible. The Bible is made up of different testaments. Before maybe I can go into this, this Bible was basically made for marginalized language in Uganda, that is Bakenyi, and it was translated by Mr. Sonko Kukiriza Adolf together with the Bakenyi community. So they have already designed the hard cover, the hard copy. So the only part that was remaining was to come up with a mobile app, and this is it. So this mobile app basically it is an Android based. It is installed on all Android versions. So basically it has two testaments. One is New Testament, another one is Old Testament. So for New Testament, when you click here, you are able to see different books in Old Testament that have been translated into Lukenye. Up here, you can be able to view New Testament books that have been also translated into Lukenye. Lukenye is a marginalized society in Uganda, one of those tribes that people rarely hear of, so they don't have a community-based mobile app for their Bible needs. So we came up with one that's going to support them. So when you look at, maybe you go to Revelations, so in their language it's called Kubikulirwa. So you open it, it has different verses, you click on them. So these are the verses. So these verses sometimes could be having typos and they need to be updated thereof. So what do they do? So the manager or the admin of this app is able to do that through the dashboard. And this when the updates come in, before this one will be loaded, the updates will be loaded at the moment when the person is opening up the app. But just in case they want to check up or they want to update their app with new verses or with new updated scriptures, they just click on that refresh button. This refresh button here, whenever it refreshes, it will fetch updated scriptures that have been corrected by the concerned people, so that a user is able to view current but reliable scriptures for their enhancement of spiritual growth. Also, how does this come through? We have a custom-made system. Yeah, this is what I want to show you. So this is the system where they can update these verses from. So this system is made from Django as the back end. So here you are able to see the references, that is the book and the chapter plus the verse. So here, this is the text. So the only part here the admin is going to be doing is to access this this web page. This web page can be accessed through using your computer is connected to internet. You connect to Chrome, then you are able to search for Bible update admin. So when they log in, this is what they will see. This is the dashboard. So they will be given the password that they can use to log into this dashboard. Of course, I will not share the passwords here for the sake of security. So when they click on this part of verses, they'll be able to see those verses. So what they will do, they will look through, they will search by book. So maybe we want to update the book of Matthew, so it's called Matthew. So you select Matthew and then you search. So this search will bring for you all the verses and the chapters in the book of Matthew. So here you're able to look through the verse that you want to update. Maybe you want to update verse chapter 27 verses 44. So you click there. So this text box pops up. So maybe you want to, let's test and you put something like update. Yeah, so this is updated version of that book. So here we save. Yeah, saving. Okay, so it is saving. So it has saved. So let's check through. So here it says this has been saved, and at this timestamp. So let's check through that verse, Matthew 27:44. Matthew, it's around here. Matthew 44. Yes, it is here, and here it shows it has been updated here. So once again you click on this button of edit, you are able to update here. So let's check through the app and see if it has been updated by this. So we shall open up our app mobile. Sorry about that. We shall open up our app, and then we go to the book of Matthew. Sorry, the book of Matthew. So we go to the book of Matthew, is up here. So Matthew is here. We look for chapter 27 verses 44. Okay, so look for verse 44 and we check through if it has updated. So this is verse 40. Yes, you see here it shows that it has been updated. So let's remove the update bit, and then we save. We check through again and see if it has updated. Let's check our mobile app and see if it has updated. So for now it has not updated. So here we refresh. So refreshing is like you're fetching new things from the database. You're fetching the updated scriptures from the database. So when you scroll through, you realize verse 44 has been updated, you see. So that's basically how this dashboard works. That's the only functionality that we have in this dashboard. So this is the mobile app. So mobile app can be always kept up to date until it is validated. So you keep on updating the verses, collecting the typos and all the misspellings that maybe you would have encountered. Maybe you've come across a word that you want to update, or that verse. You come here and you just search. Maybe you want to update the word Paulo. Maybe Paulo was written like this. So you realize here this is not the correct Bakenyi way of pronouncing the spelling of Paulo. So you just click on this. So this is sorry. So it was Paulo. So you click on Paulo. This is first Abakolinso 1:1. So we shall look at Abakolinso 1:1 in our dashboard. So we search for first Abakolinso. So that's the book. So it loads. So we search here, and it will give us all those Abakolinso here, all the chapters and the verses in that book. So we are looking for chapter 1, verses 1. Okay. We haven't yet implemented the search for searching for the verses here, but we are also going to implement that search functionality so that we are able to search those verses by explicitly that verse, the book reference. So I'll come here, chapter 1 verse 1. That's what we will need to update. So I'll look through. This is chapter 1. Okay, so it seems it's down here. So here it is. So we edit. We come here and we say, instead of Paulo, we are missing here a W. So we put there a W, so people are able to read that this is Paulo in their correct native language. Okay, so we save here in our dashboard. So it is saved. We go back to our mobile app. We go to first Abakolinso ekisooka verses chapter 1 verses 1. So this is chapter 1 verses 1. Let's look at verse 1. You see it hasn't updated here. So this is the introduction. I just need to close it. So here I refresh the app. You realize here it has updated. Yes, it has updated. It has updated with the correct wording. Okay, so basically that is it for the editing of this tutorial, for the editing part of this app. Other features, we are still working on them, and they will be released as time goes on. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed and lovely day. You can download this app from Google Play Store. So you go to the Play Store and you search for Bible Yolukenye. Yes, that's what you search for in on Google Play Store. Okay. I need to sign into my Google Play account. Unfortunately, I'm unable. Sorry, but you go to Google Play Store. Let me see if I can access one here. Google Play Store. So you come to Google Play Store and then you search for Bible Yo. So Yo is something like that. Yo Kenya. You search. So it is here. It's the first one here. So that is our app. Yeah, so people have downloaded it and they are reading it. Over 50 people for now. They have downloaded it. So this is the way it is. It's a great one. So it's a great book to have, especially if you are in Tulu, Kenya, and you want to read the Bible in that native language. So that is it for now. Have a blessed day, just like I'd wished you already.